The IBM SmarterHome App is a powerful framework to create apps for smart environments. It covers all basic and advanced features like device management, visualization, complex scenarios, time profile-based automation, charting, camera surveillance, and an interactive help system. The main focus is on usability, flexibility, and easy customization. Since it uses pure web technology based on the IBM Worklite mobile platform, it runs on all major mobile operating systems. The usage pattern is straightforward and consistent throughout the app. There is a canvas to display items or to work with these items. The dashboard at the bottom is the major control unit to jump into the different areas of the app and to select an object category like devices. In the upper left corner is the view control to filter the items or to color them based on certain criteria. Adding new object is an action that is always triggered with the plus icon in the upper right corner in every screen. A property pane slides in from the right with all available properties of the object. A long press on an object opens the same dialog to edit the settings for an existing object. The first step in configuring a smart home is always the device management. You can see all devices that are known to the system, and you can see and control all properties of these devices in a generic way. Normally there are many different smart devices. The SmarterHome app helps you with intelligent filters and a convenient coloring algorithm based on different criteria. However, the very first step is always the pairing of a new device. You can add new devices directly in the app. Just touch the add icon and set your device into pairing mode. That's all. Normally you do not work with the technical devices view if you want to control your smart home. It is more convenient to create visualizations like groups or dashboards to organize your smart home environment. Powerful widgets are available like different buttons or gauges to control the properties of a device. The normal layout mode is tile-oriented, but you can also create freeform groups. You can use any background image, even an image taken directly with the camera of your tablet using the SmarterHome app, or a floor plan, for example. Add visualizations to the group according to physical or logical criteria. Add links to other groups to form a menu hierarchy. A group can contain all devices and scenarios that are related to the shutters of your home. Another group contains all current and historic information on your windows and doors. Even your car can be connected to your system. See where it is parked, how much fuel is left, and see historic information of the last trip. There are widgets for all situations. Even the weather is just another device of your system. See the current weather situation, the weather forecast, and historic information about the local weather. Creating groups is very easy. Touch the plus icon in the upper right corner to open the group properties. Specify all necessary information, for example the background image. Take a picture with your tablet or select a predefined image from the list. Now you can add device visualizations to your background image, for example a gauge for the target temperature of a radiator. Resize it to your needs and move it to the final position. When you add a new widget to your canvas, the app takes care that the tiles do not overlap. It moves existing tiles to a free spot. The great advantage of a smart home is the creation of scenarios and automation rules. This is very easy with the SmarterHome app. Just define some conditions and the action that happens if the condition applies. Add a new action with a few taps of your finger. Select the device, specify the state of a property, and add a time delay if you want. Add a new OR branch to your condition set and specify a new condition to trigger the action. A scenario can consist of actions, conditions, and an optional time profile that defines at what time an action takes place. Time profiles are a very sophisticated mechanism that can not only switch scenarios on and off, you can also define the temperature profile of a radiator with changing temperature values in the course of a week instead of assigning a single discrete temperature value. There are profiles for percentage values, temperatures, and switches. Profiles are always displayed as a bar graph. You define the values of a single day and specify what day of the week these values are valid for. You can also define how often this week definition repeats and how often the device or scenario will be triggered. You can use your finger to easily manipulate the graph directly. Change the value of a block or just create new blocks with the Fruit Ninja gesture. Change the start and end time of a block. Move a block to a new position and delete it. Or merge blocks with a single gesture. The same gestures can be used to manipulate temperature control profiles. Before charts can be used in visualizations, you must define them. This is easy but powerful since you can have up to 5 different values in one chart, each value with a different line style and color. The chart widget provides all necessary features like hiding of chart lines and zooming. Webcams can also be used in group visualizations. You can add your own webcams or free cams you find in the web. Some webcams can be controlled directly with the app. You can, for example, pan them by using the arrow buttons or with the gyro sensor by moving the tablet. You can even use a streaming live image of your webcam as background image of a group. If you position devices in front of the webcam image, you can have a live visual feedback of your action. Your webcam can send surveillance videos and images to a cloud service. The SmarterHome app can manage these images and display them for your review. Delete unnecessary images and move important ones to the archive. The SmarterHome topic is complex and so is the SmarterHome app. Most of the features are intuitive, but sometimes some help can be useful. The innovative interactive help can be called in any context. It gives you help in your situation, but you are still in control and can take actions. The help accompanies you, but it does not force you into a direction. The spotlight shows the next sensible step, but you have to trigger the action or do something else. The help will react on your decision. Responsive design is the art of showing the right information in a consumable way on different screen sizes and orientations. The SmarterHome app uses 2 different layout approaches to solve this task: Canvas and List. Both layouts are available in all sections of the app like visualizations, scenarios, profiles and charts. The Canvas is the main layout for tablets in widescreen format, but the List style is also available by a swipe from the right side. Sometimes the list provides more information or a clearer structure of the same information. On smartphones we have a portrait orientation and a small screen. The canvas is very small and most widgets are too small to use with touch gestures, but the canvas is fine to have an overview. The list items can be expanded to show the widget in a consumable size. A swipe from the bottom shows the list in full screen mode. Even scenarios and 2-dimensional condition sets can be used as list. You can also switch between canvas and list depending on the complexity of the scenario and your preferences. The chart list provides detailed information that is difficult to understand just by looking at the diagram.